up, people? Today I'm going to be telling you guys what time the best seeds restock. Okay, starting off with the beanstalk. Beanstalk restock time is 6:45. Next, the pepper seeds. Pepper seeds restock at 6:30. Next, cacao seeds, 4:30 p.m. Okay, all of them are p.m. And then next, mushroom seeds, 3:05. Okay, grape seeds, 2:35. Mango seeds, 1:55. Thank you so much for watching my video. Peace.